Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television. Today, the Biondo roofing story. Best of the Best travels all over America in search of our nation's best businesses, and we have found one of them today. Congratulations to the incredible team at Biondo Contracting in East Brunswick, New Jersey for winning national recognition from Best of the Best Television and, more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service and workmanship since 1990 with more than 30 years of experience as a foundation. At Best of the Best Television, we never tell a company owner that we are reviewing that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the Biondo story. At Best of the Best Television, we really value small family companies that become market leaders through old-fashioned hard work, integrity, superior customer service, and staying on the cutting edge of their industries. That is the Biondo Contracting story. When you research a company without telling the owners, as we do, you really get a vibe about that company through the eyes of its clients, not the owners. We read so many dozens of incredible reviews about Biondo. Clients simply rave about the entire experience of working with the owner, Sam Biondo, and his very experienced team. Clients talk about the communication during the project, the professionalism of the crew, the cleanup, the value, you name it. Biondo is a very special company. This ain't your grandpa's roofer. Biondo does all kinds of roofing, including the tough stuff, such as slate. They also do flashing, skylights, attic fans, fantastic siding jobs, and much more. And they do it all really well. Let's just take a look at roofing, for example. Biondo has affiliations with all three big-name roofing manufacturers, GAF, Owens Corning, and CertainTeed. A lot of roofers only align themselves with one, not these guys. Sam wants his clients to have plenty of choices. Biondo is an Owens Corning preferred contractor and a CertainTeed Select Shingle Master. Now that means Biondo is one of the top roofers in the country. They have the training, the certifications to offer fantastic warranties on their roofs to their clients. Finally, at Best of the Best Television, we really value companies that give back. Sam and the Biondo team have given back to many people and organizations over the years in this part of the country. We love that. These guys are really good neighbors. Congratulations to the entire team at Biondo Contracting on this national honor from Best of the Best Television, and more importantly, for doing business only one way for such a long time, the right way. Congratulations, guys. You earned it. Biondo Roofing, the best of the best? You bet. For Best of the Best Television, I'm Rich Noonan. We'll see you next time.